Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, you will need a few essential tools for this operation. Make sure you have a Torx T3 screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Before starting, ensure your Surface Laptop 4 is powered off and unplugged. First, remove the rubber feet at the bottom of the laptop. Use the plastic pry tool to gently lift them off. Be careful not to damage the adhesive. Once the feet are removed, you will find screws underneath. Using the Torx T3 screwdriver, carefully unscrew each of the screws. Keep them in a safe place for reassembly later. After removing all screws, it's time to separate the bottom casing from the device. Insert the plastic pry tool into the seam between the bottom casing and the body of the laptop. Slowly work your way around the edges, gently prying it open. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. Once the bottom casing is off, you will see the internal components of the Surface Laptop 4. Locate the SSD, which is typically housed near the center of the device. To access it, you may need to disconnect a few cables. Make sure to note where each cable connects to avoid any confusion during reassembly. Now, using the Torx T3 screwdriver again, unscrew the SSD from its mount. Carefully lift the SSD out of its slot. At this point, if you're unsure about handling this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assist you in ensuring everything is done correctly. After extracting the SSD, take a moment to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. This will help keep your device running smoothly. If you don't have the tools or time for this, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. We handle everything, so you don't have to worry about any calls or travel. Once you are done cleaning, you can either replace the SSD or simply reassemble your laptop. To reassemble, place the SSD back into its slot and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect any cables you had to detach, ensuring they are firmly in place. Finally, take the bottom casing and align it with the body of the laptop. Gently press down around the edges to snap it back into place. Replace the rubber feet using the adhesive. Remember, if you prefer to have a professional handle this, we offer a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind about the costs involved. With everything back in place, power on your Surface Laptop 4 to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.